In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to print one of my favourite items, glass chopping boards. Now glass is so easy to press, there is literally nothing that can go wrong with these and they always look perfect. So we provide glass in float or textured chinchilla. So float smooth and chinchilla is just a little rough. And the things you'll need for pressing are a flatbed heat press, clam or swing away, heat gloves, scissors for trimming your design, and the design itself. Now these don't have to be mirrored, which again makes things so much more simpler. And let's get into pressing. Start by setting your heat press to 190 degrees at 180 seconds. Pop heat gloves on whenever using a heat press so that you don't burn your hands. Open your press and you can lay your design straight onto the bottom plate. You'll notice the design isn't mirror imaged as it will press into the glass. Place the glass over the top, and as the glass is opaque, you can easily line up the image to make sure it's square. With this done, pop on your PTFE protection sheet and then clamp the press shut. Press the timer and this will begin the countdown. Once your timer hits 0 and you hear it start to beep, remove pressure from the top of the press, take away your PTFE sheet and remove the glass in one quick motion. And here is our finished product, the press chopping board. What did I tell you? Easy or what? As you can see, the colours have changed from what's on the print. The blacks are much deeper, the colours are richer, more vibrant. Never judge the print to be the final product. Always press the print onto your item. The colours will change and become more accurate.